Now we're going to talk about the basics of credit, income, and down payment. I've already provided a little bit of context about these, and I don't want to be redundant, but it is important that you hear about these topics in a few different ways. To demystify these items, we are going to expand these in their own modules, as there's way too much to fit into this section here. The difference in this course versus anything I've come across online, and trust me, I've searched long and hard, is that I'm going to give you the tools to populate your own numbers, so by the end of the course, you'll know what your pre-approval capability is going to be. I bet right now you still don't trust any of the online mortgage calculators out there and knowing what's actually behind them. You'll know the background on why lenders do what they do, so you won't be surprised. So as we deal with credit, everything starts with credit. That determines the programs that are available and the rates that we're going to get. And you'll leave that module with a great understanding of exactly where you're at. Income calculations are more an art than a science. So you can have two underwriters look at the same income. If there's any if there's any nuances to it, two underwriters can come up with two different income figures, one more conservative than the other. So we'll want to know how that works. For down payment, there are lots of options, but you have to understand the pros, cons, benefits, drawbacks of those options. So a lot of home buyers and borrowers know that you can take a loan against your 401k to use towards your down payment. However, almost none of them that come to me know that if you leave the company for any reason, you have to either repay that loan back within a very short amount of time, normally 90 days, or you take a taxable distribution if you can't repay the loan on time. So again, just knowing all of these options is critically important. And this is the expert information we want to make sure that you know before you talk to a lender, before you invest more time and energy talking to multiple people. So at least you'll know exactly where you're at. So this is the expert knowledge being passed along to you, so you're savvy about these things. We will deconstruct the process for you, so you'll know your own pre-approval amounts, again, before reaching out to a lender from the comfort of your home or office. So again, I applaud you for being here. Continue on with the course, and I'm looking forward to really downloading a lot of value for you.